Hello and welcome to this introductory video to Kanban and pull systems. My name is Andreas Bartel. I'm a Kanban trainer and consultant from Hamburg. And today we are going to talk about pull systems in general and how these works inside the Kanban management method. Let us have a look how the pull principles work, inspired by production. Imagine a simple situation like an A process and a B process in downstream and potentially further processes like C, and how the work usually flows. We can see that the flow of work is from left to right, and usually when A produces something which arrives at B and further on, we might run into challenges such that A may produce a lot more than B can actually consume. So there's an elegant solution to that has been invented by the Japanese, specifically Toyota, through the introduction of a buffer. So from this point of view, B do not get direct work or work results from A, but it pulls instead of push from the buffer. And on the other hand, A is replenishing the buffer, so basically producing to fill the buffer. However, in this little picture, something is missing. So we need to kind of control the amount or the size of the buffer. So we introduce signals which flow in reverse order from B to A, for instance, that trigger A to produce actually or refill the buffer, so the stock becomes controlled. And in this situation, there is no push anymore from A to B, but in summary, B is pulling from the buffer, the controlled stock, and when B has capacity again, it signals, usually in production, these are the Kanban cards, to A that A can start work again and produce in order to replenish the buffer. So now let us look how this might translate into knowledge work and specifically how we design a potential Kanban system for software development. So in this picture, you will see that in acceptance, there is currently a virtual Kanban. That's the pull signal. And in this picture, you can see that acceptance has capacity to work, and it will pull work from left to right and start working on another work item. In that sense, the pull signal is now traveling from right to left, so basically again, opposite direction, and arrives in the activity upstream to acceptance. In this case, it's development. So people, workers, can start pulling work again from done work from analysis, pull in a new work item from left to right, and the pull signal travels again to the left until it arrives in analysis. So here again, we have a signal for capacity, and work can be pulled from committed into analysis and started. And again, the pull signal travels from right to left, arrives at the commitment point, and this is the signal where system replenishment can be started. It can be started either ad hoc, so on demand when capacity is available, or you can agree on a regular cadence, for instance, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, to replenish the buffer according to your own needs. All right, I hope this video gave you a basic understanding of pull and pull systems and how these might translate and work in Kanban. And of course, there's much more to learn about pull and about Kanban, so start where you are now. And I hope to see you in one of the Kanban University training classes, and may the flow be with you.